Hello students, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Maths Gyan. Competitive questions for all those students who are going to attend CAT, MET, ZET, NTPC, AMU, uh, BITS, planning, different type of the competitions. Geometrical equations is to be used. Geometrical formula is to be applied. This is a semicircle, एक semicircle with a center O. This is a semicircle, अर्धवृत्त with a center O. ABCD is a square. ABCD. Sorry. Area of the square of ABCD. This is a square ABCD, the area of which is given to us 36 centimeter square. We have to find the area of the small square. It means we have to find area of P, Q, A, R. अब क्यू पी ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, क्यू पी आर ए, क्यू पी आर ए इसका एरिया, दिस इज टू बी डिटरमाइंड. ओके, ओनली द एरिया ऑफ दिस पोर्शन इज गिवन टू अस, नथिंग एल्स, कुछ नहीं दिया. व्हाट वी कैन डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन सॉल्यूशन देखिए, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. गिवन एरिया ऑफ A, B, C, D square is equal to 3, 6 S cube. It means AB arm into BC, that is 36, but this AB is equal to BC. It means this is 6 into 6, 36. It means this will be equal to 6 cm, and this will also be equal to 6 cm. Okay, because this is square and this is center, it means this will be OP. It means that AB will be equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and OA is equal to AB by 2. OA is equal to AB by 2 because it is center. This is 3. This will be 3. ये 3 होगी, and this will be also 3. Okay, this OB is equal to 3. Is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the use of this? देखिए, ये तो क्लियर हो गया. We suppose this arms is X. Let PQ is equal to PR, because it is square, is equal to X. It means we have to find area or the value of X square. This is to be determined. ये हमें निकालना है. इसको निकालने के what have to do? इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं इससे. दिस इज टू बी ज्वाइन ओवर हियर. दिस इज ए. दिस इज द कैपिटल आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल. इन ट्रायंगल OAD, OD is equal to capital R, the radius of semicircle. This is the radius of semicircle, capital R. This. In this triangle, this is R, this is 3, and this is 6. OR is radius. OA is equal to 3, and DA is equal to 6, because it is also the arm of the bigger square. It is also the arm of the bigger square. बड़ी वाली आर्म का ये स्क्वायर है. It means DA will be 6, or we can say as per Pythagoras, what we can say, that OD square, this will be equal to DA square plus OA square. Okay, it means OD is nothing but R square, DA is 6 square plus OA is equal to 3 square, that is 36 plus 9, that is 45. Or we can say R square is equal, R will be equal to root of 45, or 3 nines of 3 9 5 the 45, so it can be written as 3 root 5. This will be the value of R centimeter. Okay, OD is a radius and OR is also radius. OP will also be radius because these all the points are on circumference, so that we can say this is to be joined, joining OP. Join OP. OP को join कीजिए. Then OP is nothing but equal to capital R, radius of the semicircle. This because this is the center, and this is a point on the circumference, which is equal to 3.5. Now we'll take in triangle this. In triangle we can find this one, this triangle, this in triangle PRO. Further we will apply the Pythagoras फिर से लगाएंगे. Then what we'll get, that okay, what we will get, this line OP square, this will be equal to PR square plus RO square. OP square is equal to radius, OP is equal to OD is the radius, is equal to capital R square. PR is to be equal to X, as we have considered that the side of smaller square is X, so that it will be X square plus RO square. RO, this is also X, because this distance is equal to this distance, X plus 3. X plus 3. This is X, or plus this is 3. This is X, this is X, this is X. This is a square, side of the square. So X plus 3. Okay, square. Solve कीजिए. RO is equal to, R square is equal to 45. 45 is equal to X square plus X plus 3 whole square. इसको फिर X square plus 9 plus 6X. Okay, it means that quadratic equation is there. 2 times X square minus 6 plus 6X minus 45 minus होगा 36 is equal to 0. 2 से divide कीजिए, then we will get here dividing by 2, that X square plus 3X minus 18 will be equal to 0. Now 18, 6 3 is 18, X square plus 6X minus 3X minus 18 is equal to 0. It means X minus 3, X can be taken as common, X plus 2 minus 3, X plus 2, X plus 6, sorry, X plus 6 or X plus 6 is equal to 0. It means we are having two values, two factors of this equation, that is X plus 2 and X minus 3. These are the two values of X, and X is nothing but the side of the square. From here we are having two values, that is X is either is equal to, it means X is either equal to, or X is either equal to minus 6 or plus 3. Two values are there. Either x is equal to -6 or is equal to +3. +3 is considerable. -3 can't be possible. So that value of x is equal to 3, and hence the area of PRAQ will be, hence the area will be 3 square is equal to 9 square centimeter. X square, it is to be find out. X square, this is to find, this will be what? The value of x is -6 or +3. -6 is not possible. The value of x is to be considered as a 3. Then area will be 3 square, means 3 into 3, that is 9. Answer is area of the small square named as QPRA will be 9 centimeter square. This is answer. Interesting and very important question. कंपटीशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन, इज वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन regarding these competitions. So that please keep in touch with me, enjoy the maths and don't hesitate with the maths. अपने को मजबूत बनाइए. For the competition you should prepare yourself, and those who are new please subscribe me, and those who are older motivate कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. ओके, गुड नाइट, सी यू.